Take blood. Right, people, we got another one. Second generation of Echo Dot, aka Alexa. So we're about to unbox this thing and do a quick boot in, first boot in, setting up. We'll tell you everything about it, all you need to know. This came out, that's the newer version, second generation, like I said. It came out in the UK a couple of days ago. Alright, came out this month, by the way. So that's the new generation. So we're about to check out few details about this thing, what this thing can do and what it can't do. We're gonna put it to the full test and we'll be posting more video about this. So in the meantime, let's check out the quick spec. Keeping up with the film, they came up with two colors, black and white. So I hope you have read what was in front of you. So the Echo Dot is a hand-free voice control device that uses Alexa to play music, control smart home device, provide information, read the news, set alarm, and more. Connect to your speaker or headphones through Bluetooth or 3.5 mm stereo cable to play music from Prime Music, Spotify, Tidal. It's also compatible with lights, control lights, switches, thermosters, and more. It's also compatible to the Philips Hue, those lights. You know, it's compatible to few things which you will eventually see during the unboxing, and I'm sure you have seen a couple already. You can also make order. It's also, you can order or call, request a ride from Uber with this thing. It tells you about your, you know, the daily updates on the weather. Yeah, but we are going to put it to the test because, you know, Google has their own, Samsung to certain extent has their own, Microsoft has their own, Apple has their own, but Apple is not yet in this game yet. Alright, they're not there yet. Big up to Amazon, you know, they've been pushing it. They have been pushing this thing and trying to take it to the next level. So this is what we have in the box. I've been talking a little bit about the specs. So inside the box, you got the Echo Dot and a cable, a USB cable, which, you know, convert to as a charger. So I'm gonna, which you use as a charger. So very simple. The packaging, I find it to be a bit on the cheap side, but it tells you everything that you need to know, and what's inside is what matters. So we're gonna do the booting. First thing first, you need to download the apps. So you go on Google Store and download the Amazon Echo apps out there. Once you have downloaded it, the echo dot will prompt you to your next steps. Okay, you can set up your alarm, you can do a bunch of things with it. Where I'm more interested, we're gonna try to connect this thing first. Internal voice recognition, we are going to push it, you know, to the highest level. So let's check this out. So you can connect it via your Wi-Fi system or Bluetooth.
You've connected to Echo Dot. Go ahead and finish the setup in your Alexa app.
So right in front of you, this is how you get this thing done. If you're having any difficulty, all you need to do is to turn off everything, restart the app, restart, unplug the Echo Dot, and start it all over again, and it should be good to go. But make sure that you read the manual, so you do not waste your time. Gotta be orange for it to be able to communicate with your Wi-Fi system anyway. Guys, in the meantime, like and subscribe, especially if it's your first time subscribe. PLS, we love your hair and we love your support. Make sure to share the video, like the video, you know, talk among yourself.
How are you, Alexa?
You know,
Alexa.
share it on your favorite social networks. This is how we do it out here. So that's the first booting. It's pretty straightforward. It's, you know, it's not that complicated if you follow the steps. They've got some crazy deal on this, but I just don't. You know, if you got a big house with a lot of rooms, yeah, you can, you know, go crazy about.
Now it's easy to add Alexa to any.
So let's check this thing out. Now we are fully connected. Let's see what are the instructions that comes with it. So on top of the Echo Dot, we've got 4 buttons, plus and minus, the mic, which you can turn on and off, and the on and off button. If you don't want to be shouting across the room the name Alexa, then you're gonna have to walk to the device and press that button. Okay?
Stop. Or play audiobooks from Audible. Alexa, read The Girl on the Train from Audible.
Resuming The Girl on the Train.
And you can listen to music, radio stations, or podcasts from Spotify or TuneIn. Echo is designed around your voice, so you can ask all kinds of questions, like, Alexa, what's the weather this weekend?
This weekend in Seattle will be sunny with a high of 86 and a low of 57.
Alexa, what's on my calendar today?
Today there are 2 events. At 9 a.m. there's Jordan's soccer game, and at 12 p.m. there's lunch with Grandma.
When your hands are full, you can set a timer. Just say, Alexa, set a timer for 12 minutes.
12
Alright guys,
starting now.
we're pretty much at the end of this video. In the box, as you have seen, we got the Echo Dot. I like the build. The materials are not too cheap.
I didn't quite catch
You know, the bottom got those type of plastic that restrain devices for moving, you know, around, or you know, fall off of the table, or it's not too slippery beneath.
Alarm for
Okay.
7 p.m.
And
Alarm set for 7 p.m.
Add potatoes to my shopping list.
Potato.
here and there you get some glitches, like now, you know, it's not perfect.
Add potatoes to my shopping list.
Other than that, we'll put it to the full test, and you know, we'll let you know.
Thanks.
Why, go on. Other than that, ladies and gents, thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you're about to get it, let us know and tell us what was your experience with it, or if you used to have one or you got one, let us know. Other than that, we shall see you on the next one. Take it easy out there. Peace out. Let's do it and do it. Bang, bang. Cheer.